Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rachna Knowledge Hub. This is the fourth video in the series of Learn Hindi from Scratch through English. If you have not watched the previous video of this series, then please do watch to gain the maximum benefits from this course. In previous videos, I have discussed some questions regarding Hindi. I have taught all the Hindi alphabets, all Hindi vowels, matras and all the vowels with Hindi matras and formation of all the vowels. So please do watch those videos if you want to learn Hindi completely. In this video, I will teach you Hindi consonants, formation or how to write Hindi alphabets. This video is going to be lengthy because in this video, I will teach you formation of all the Hindi alphabets, Hindi consonants. So please do watch video carefully if you want to learn how to write the Hindi alphabets. So if you find it useful, then please do like the video. If you have any question, any doubts regarding the course, then please ask in comments and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe for more such useful videos and press the bell icon for notification of my upcoming videos. So let's start today's videos. Today we'll learn the formation of all the remaining Hindi alphabets, Hindi consonants. So first we'll learn about K. So how we have to write K? First write C, then standing line, and then you have to turn like this. Again I will teach you, see carefully. Okay, see, first you have to make this C. Okay, next step, after making C you have to make standing line, or you can do like this also. First you can put standing line, then C, and then this. So this is our K. This is K. Next we will learn K. So how to write K? First do like this. After making this, turn like this. Then again repeat this step, this, make standing line. This again I am repeating to make it clear for you how we have to write this. So now this C we have to do, and after last sleeping line. So this is our K. One more time I am teaching you, please see carefully. This standing line, you can join this or leave it as it is, and this, and sleeping line. So what is this? This is our K. This is K alphabet in Hindi. Next letter is G. So for G, just make like this. In next step, turn it. Again repeat this step, this, and standing line and sleeping line. So this is our G. G alphabet in Hindi. Next letter is our Gh. So how to write Gh? First draw like this. Again repeat this step and then do turn like this. Again repeat this step, this, and then make standing line with adjacent to it, and then sleeping line. Again repeat. See carefully, this, and then standing line and sleeping line. So this is our Gh alphabet. Next alphabet is D. First just simply make little standing line. After that make C adjacent to it like this. Then repeat this step, this and this. After putting sleeping line, put one dot here, and this is our D. And how we write in English this? Ra. So up to this point, which letters we have learned? K, K, G, Gh, D. Next letter is our Ch. So for Ch, this sleeping line, repeat step, sleeping line, then turn like this. Again repeat the step and then make standing line and then sleeping line. So this is our Ch. Next letter is Ch. So now look how we can write Ch. For Ch, just do like this. Again repeat step, then this,
again this, turn, and then little bit small circle, again repeat this step, this, and then do like this, and then sleeping line. This is our ch. One more way you can write, I will tell you again. See carefully. After doing this, we simply can do this is also we can write ch. So this is our ch. This is ch. Ch alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet comes j. So how we write j? First put standing line, sleeping line, again repeat the step, standing, sleeping, and then turn like this. So this is our j. One way also you can write like this, simply do like this, then sleeping line and then standing line. So this is our j. So this is our alphabet j. Next letter is j. So look how we can write j. First little bit standing line, again do like this, little C, repeat the step, this, then turn like this, again repeat this, and turn like this. After that make a sleeping line here and then standing line. So this is our j. One more time I am writing, look, this, and then turn, sleeping line and standing line. So this is our j. J alphabet in Hindi. Next letter is ñ. So how we can write ñ? Make reverse C, again repeat the step, then sleeping line and standing line. So this is our ñ. So look one more time, reverse C, sleeping line, standing line. So this is our ñ. Ñ letter in Hindi. Next letter is T. So how we can write T? T is very simple, sleeping line and this C, curve. So this is simply, and put sleeping line, this is our T. T alphabet in Hindi. Next comes T. T is also very simple to write, little bit standing line and then make a circle below it, this T. This is our T. T alphabet in Hindi. Next letter comes D. D is also very easy. This standing line, curve, again curve this side and simply put sleeping line. This is our D letter. D alphabet in Hindi. So next letter comes D. So look how we can write D. Standing line, make C. You can see this is our T, and if we turn like this little bit circle, then this is our D. What is this? This is our D. D alphabet in Hindi. So as we've just saw, T, Th, D, D formation is very easy. Next letter comes Ñ. Ñ, how we can write? Standing line and little bit curve. Again repeat this step, standing line, little bit curve, and now make standing line to it, means complete this, or you can in one step make like this and then standing line and then sleeping line. So this is our Ñ. This is Ñ. Ñ alphabet in Hindi. Next letter comes T. So how we can write T? First make little sleeping line, again repeat this step, sleeping line, and make curve like this. Again repeat this step, sleeping little bit and then curve it, and then make standing line and then sleeping line. So this is our T. So this is our T alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet comes Th. So how we can write Th? Do like this, or again how you can do simply this and turn like this and then make a curve like this. Again I am repeating, make a reverse C, then turn from above like this and then below turn like this and then make standing line and then sleeping line. One more time, reverse C, make a small circle, then turn like this, make a curve, and then standing line, and then sleeping line. So this is our th alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet comes the. So how we can write the? For the we can make first this standing and then sleeping line. So this is our ta as we have written here, and then if we turn like this, this is our the. This is the alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet comes the. So how we can write the? Look, first make a little circle, again little circle, and then turn like this, and then make a curve like this, again repeat, little circle, then turn like this, then again curve, and then standing line, and then sleeping line. So this is our the. One more time I am writing, please see. This circle, curve, then standing line, and then sleeping line. So this is the alphabet in Hindi. Next letter comes na. Make a little circle, again little circle, then make a sleeping line above this, again do this, and then standing line. Very simple. And then sleeping line. Again one more time I am writing, simply do like this, then standing line and sleeping line. This is na alphabet in Hindi. Next letter comes pa. So how we can write pa? Simply standing line. After standing line, make a curve like this. Repeat the step, standing, curve, and then standing line and sleeping line. Simple. So this is our pa. What is this? This is pa alphabet in Hindi. One more time I am writing, standing, little curve, standing line and sleeping line. So this is our pa. Next alphabet comes fa. So how we can write fa? For fa, simply you can make pa first, which we have just written, this standing line, and after that how you can do, from this side you can turn like this. If you turn like this, this is our fa. Again one more time I am writing, see this standing line, and if you turn down like this, this is our fa alphabet in Hindi. Our fa alphabet in Hindi. Next letter comes ba. So how we can write ba? First make a C like this, or you can say first make a C like this. After repeating this step, again make standing line, repeat this step, standing line, and then make a slanting line inside this half circle. So this is our ba alphabet in Hindi. One more time, look, standing line this way also you can do, or first you can make that curve also, this, and slanting line. So this is our ba. Next letter is bha. So for bha, how we can do? Make a little circle like this, then sleeping line, make proper like this, and then standing line, then little bit tilt, slanting, and then make a sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. So this is our bha. One more time I am writing, please look, little bit circle, after that sleeping line, this slanting, and then make a sleeping line, and then standing line. So this is our bha. One more way you can write bha, how I am telling you, make a 9 like this, again make a 9 like this, then turn like this, and then sleeping line, standing and sleeping line. So this is our bha alphabet in Hindi. Next letter is ma. So how we can write ma? Simple, standing line, make a curve, and to curve this, make a slipping line. Again repeat this step, this circle, slipping line, standing line and slipping line. So this is our ma alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet is ya. So how we can write ya? Simply make a curve like this. After this curve this side and then standing line and slipping line. So this is our ya. One more time, look, this, then repeat like this and then standing and slipping line. So this is our ya. Next letter is ra. Also very easy, simple, a curve like this and then a slanting line or little bit curve, you can say, simply slipping line. So this is our ra. One more time, look, curve like this and then little bit slanting or curvy you can make it, means after doing this simply you can make a slanting line this also and then slipping line. So this is our ra alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet is our la. So how we can write la? Look carefully. First little curve like this, again repeat this step, little curve, and from end of this curve make a curve also like this, little bit big. Again repeat this step, this and then make a standing line and then slipping line. So this is our la. Okay, one more time, see carefully. You can draw standing line in starting also and make a curve like this and then like this. So this is our la alphabet in Hindi. Next is va. How we can write va? Va is also very easy. See and make a standing line. So this is our va alphabet in Hindi. Next alphabet is sh. So how we can write sh? Make a circle like this, then curve like this, again repeat, circle like this, then curve, and then again make a little circle, repeat again this, little circle, and then this, and then standing line and slipping line. So this is our sh. One more time I am showing you, please see carefully, circle, curve, then this and then standing line. So this is our sh alphabet in Hindi. Next letter is our sh. So for this we have to make pa. Standing, little curve, again standing, little curve, standing line, and make a slanting line inside this and put slipping line. So this is our sh. In English we will write same as a che. One more time I am telling you, standing line, curve, standing line and make a slanting line inside this. So this is our sh. Alphabet is sa. For sa we have to make ra. As ra we have already learned, this curve and then slanting line, make a slipping line and then standing line, simple. So put slipping line. One more time, see, curve, slanting, slipping line, standing line. So this is our sa alphabet. Next alphabet is ha. So how we can write ha? First simply make little standing line, repeat standing line and make a little C. After making ta, how we can write standing line, this C, ta and little bit curvy like this and then make a curve like this. So this is our ha. One more time I am teaching you ha. Please look carefully. Little bit standing, small c, curve like this and then like this. So this is our ha alphabet. Next alphabet ksha. So how we can write ksha? So look carefully. Curve like this, or you can say simply make little circle and then curve. After that repeat this step, this and then this. So again look, this and this. After doing this, make this and then standing line and slipping line. So this is our ksha. More way I am teaching you, please look. First, simply you can put standing line and like this, and then turn like this and this. One more time, see, standing line, this, and then turn like this. So, and simply put, so this is our Ksha alphabet, Ksha alphabet in Hindi. So next letter is Tra. So how we can write Tra? Tra is very easy. Standing line, slanting, and slanting this side. So this is our Tra. Tra alphabet. Next and last letter is Gya. How we can write Gya letter? First look, sleeping line, and then turn like this, again sleeping line, curve like this, and then do curve like this, and then standing line and sleeping line. One more way we can write standing line, sleeping line, curve like this. This is looks like J, and then we have to turn like this. So this is our Gya alphabet. This is our Gya alphabet. So that's it. Today we have finished learning all the Hindi consonants. Please do watch video again and again to learn the formation of Hindi alphabets, how we can write them easily. If you watch video carefully, definitely you will learn easily how to write Hindi alphabets. In next video, I will teach you how we can pronounce or what is the sound of all the Hindi consonants, Hindi alphabets with all the matras. That is we call Hindi Barakhari. So till next video, please do practice this all the Hindi consonants, how we can write, so that you can learn all the sounds easily in next video. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon in next useful video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.